at the ATI booth with Rob. He's going to give us a rundown of some of the demos that they're demonstrating here.
Okay, thank you. ATI produces tool changers and other end-of-arm devices, mostly for the robotics market. So what we're seeing here in our demos, this particular robot is a KUKA, but we work with KUKA, Fanuc, Motoman, UR, all the robot brands that are out there, we have devices for. What we're showing here are a series of tool changers, being able to make this robot more effective in not doing just one function in a robot cell, but many. In this case, we're able to change out between different material removal tools. This one doing a little brushing on the end. Previously it was doing deburring. The next step is going to change out to a pneumatic gripper, where it will demonstrate our force torque sensors. So a variety of functions that we have here, not just for tool changers for a variety size of robots, but also adding more capability in deburring, deflashing, sanding, and grinding applications. This case here, we've changed out to a weld head. We're able to pass through all the utilities that are needed for welding applications, in addition to pneumatic actuators. This particular cell is demonstrating a tool changer with two of our material removal tools. In particular, first of all, it's going to be picking up our AOV orbital sander, which is good for sanding and grinding applications, some buffing and polishing as well. Our material removal tools have built-in compliance. The idea there is to be able to maintain a good constant pressure against the workpiece. Because while the robot will always go on its straight designated programmed path, sometimes there's part variations and a part to be ground or sanded on. And so the passive compliance in our tools allows to accommodate variations in the workpiece.
Very good.